What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. I hope everybody's having a fantastic time. I just want you guys to guess what time it is. And you guessed it, cylinder head time. So in the last couple episodes, we've been putting this engine together and we are finally ready to receive our cylinder head. We got our OEM style head gasket. We're gonna be utilizing some slightly used ARP hardware. Here we have for Brian Crower camshafts, and we are ready to go. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and do that. Here we have some acetone. Let's go ahead and clean our surfaces. So now our surfaces are pretty clean, I'll say. We're gonna go ahead and install our hardware. Let's go ahead and put some of this stuff on. Here we are, guys. We got a nice OEM imitation head gasket for only like $15. Let's see how this holds. Let's go ahead and put our dowels on. So I think at this point we are ready to receive our cylinder head. So let's go ahead and get it on. So now let's go ahead and put our washers and ARP nuts on and torque this baby down. So we're ready to go ahead and get torquing. This is our sequence. I'm reusing the head studs. That's why I decided to go up a little bit higher on the final torque number. I don't know, what do you guys think? Have you had an experience with reuse head studs before? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and send it because I'm tired of buying parts and watching this engine just rust away. I'm ready to just send it, so let's see how it holds. And we're finally torqued down, ready to go. I went ahead and taped the intake and the exhaust, make sure nothing gets in there. But this is as far as I'm gonna take it on this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Next video coming up, we're gonna be sealing the bottom, putting the oil pan back on, going up on top, putting the cams, timing cover, timing it, and sealing it for good. On that note, I hope everyone have a good one, and I'll see you soon.